Are you still writing boilerplate code for mapping your entities with DTO? If so, stop wasting your time and let me show you how MapStruct can do it within seconds. Let's talk about MapStruct first. So MapStruct is a Java annotation processor which generates the mapping code at the compile time. Let's try to understand the use case of MapStruct with the help of a scenario. Consider you have two different classes, user entity and user DTO. Okay, user entity is having 4 fields and user DTO is having 6 fields. I want to feed values inside the user DTO class which might be used for your API responses with the help of user entity, where user entity field will be mapped to the user DTO field. Like ID will be mapped to ID, name will be mapped to full name, email will be mapped to email, and role will be mapped to user role. So the traditional ways of mapping entity by DTO, first of all, you will be creating the user entity object, okay? And once your user entity object is ready, you will create the object of user DTO, and this is how you will map the user entity fields with the user DTO fields with the help of getters and setters. Let's see how easily this mapping can be achieved with the help of MapStruct. So first of all, you need to add two dependency in your pom.xml. First one is for the MapStruct and second one is for the MapStruct processor. Once you add this dependency in your pom.xml, the second thing is that you need to create a mapper class. Like I have created user mapper, where you need to annotate the user mapper with @mapper and you need to pass these values. We need to create a method which takes user entity as an argument and return the user DTO object. Use @mapping annotation where we can map the field of entity class with the field of DTO class. Like here I have mapped the field name with the field full name which belongs to the DTO class. Now once you are done with this, you need to inject this mapper in your service class, and once this mapper is injected and your user entity object is ready, you just need to call this method of the mapper class and passing the user entity object as argument, and this method will return the user DTO object for you. You don't need to write the getters and setters and the boilerplate code to prepare the user DTO object. So that's the beauty of the MapStruct, and the advantage is MapStruct brings on the table. Also, if your entity and DTO class is having fields whose name are same or fields with the same name, you don't need to write this @mapping annotation. User entity fields will be internally mapped with the user DTO fields having same name. So if you are interested in having this PDF, just comment PDF and follow me. This PDF will automatically reach to your DM. That's all for today. Stay tuned for the next video.